Extremely soft, moist and chewy pita breads, which can be enjoyed by filling its pockets with a variety of salads and dips. Hey guys, this is Darshi and welcome to my sugarish kitchen. Today we're going to make fresh homemade pita bread. So let's get started. You don't need an oven for this. We're going to cook this on a tava. We're going to take 2 cups of all-purpose flour. We're adding half a cup of whole wheat flour. Add 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 teaspoon salt and 1 tablespoon olive oil. Now add 2 teaspoons of yeast to 1 cup of warm water. Add the yeast and water mixed to the flour. Mix it till all the ingredients are well combined and the dough starts becoming sticky. So we'll remove the flour on a flat surface. So while we're kneading, we may need some flour to just make it a better consistency. If your flour is too wet, you might need to add some more flour. So we're going to repeat this for about 8 minutes, just kneading. And here you go, our dough is ready. When you press into the dough, it should also come out. We'll just add some olive oil. Just brush it up so that the dough does not stick to the bowl. Put the dough inside. Cover it with a tea towel for at least 2 hours or until it doubles in size. As you can see, after 2 hours, our dough has doubled in size. We'll make 10 equal parts. We'll take the dough and just tuck it in, make a round ball, and we're going to roll them out. So we're going to place these on a tea towel and let them rest for another 15 minutes. Make sure your tava is nice and hot, otherwise they will not puff up. So as you can see, our pitas are all puffing really well. The kneading is a necessity because we need the right consistency of the dough. It has to be moist. We don't want it to be very dry. So as you can see, our pitas have all puffed up really well today. We'll just cut it in half. Open the pockets. That's a perfect pocket. Thank you for watching. Looking forward to your experience on this recipe in the comment section. Please like, share and subscribe for more.